love that you have came here to do my glory. John 3 verse 16. For God so loved that he gave his only Son, whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life.
My name is Peter. 1 Peter 5 verse 7. Come all your worry and to God for God's gifts for you. Speech. Romans 8 verse 31. If God is for us, who can be against us?
Hi everybody, I come to do my Tauloto. Poverty verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your understanding. I'm the only and I came to do my Tauloto. Philippians 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
My name is Isaac and I'm going to say my Tauloto. Mark 12 verse 30 and 31. Love your Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, with all your strength. And the very first, love your neighbor as yourself. There's no commandment greater than this.
Hello everyone, my name is Brian. I'm here to tell you my Tauloto. 1 Corinthians 16 verse 14. Let all that you do be done in love.
Hello, my name is Henry and my verse is Colossians 3 verse 20. Children, obey your parents for this pleases the Lord.
My name is Woman. Jesus go home. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one can come to the Father against spend for me. Seek for me.
Amen.
Ia Faiaoga Lema ai waso for ia mai rua e te oi.